Oh, I can't play beats. I think I can. I'm just gonna spit it free. Yeah, it's Tyson, cuz. Open up that third eye, you know, get that sun. Yeah, I'm dropping on the rhythm now, I'm waiting for my mission, aiming with precision now. You don't blame me when I'm spitting, cause I'm fucking feeling like everyone's on the invisible bars. I'm from the spiritual stars, I'm spitting A class. Get out and blast out the dimensions under the cover. You see my intentions, never forgetting astral projection. Now I endeavor to grow better, my soul trying to show me despair. To sever and disperse these fears, a universe study hears my wishes then burst and clears my existence from the physical to the spiritual. I'm just an individual trying to do my best. My hour time here is critical to manifest. Never stress, just to confess I'm a little bit of a mess, but I'm trying to access the higher dimension. Now I'm seeing your intention, cause my name is Tyson. I'm aspiring, trying to be right, and I'm never lying. The society always lying straight to my eyes. Why do you trying to be a nice, throwing the dice? Landing on 6 9, we're living in the matrix. Fucking too many reptilians are going hectic and tripping, making billions and millions off cancer. What is the answer? Wanna be meditating, wanna be elevating and raising your vibration. Now I'm rearranging, taking everything mentally, and now I'm getting better. G, I'm never stressing G, cause I'm just seeing straight through this illusion. Every day I'm fucking looping, living in Midland Station, cause I'm inflicting the pain and I'm freaking insane. I'm fucking wishing that I didn't slay my brain. Open pineal gland, do you understand? Do you need a demand from the Ashtar command? Just the master builders, do you hear? But false evidence appearing real. Now you see, you gotta start healing all the chakras from the thyroid to, from the pituitary, from the pineal gland. Now you're trying to understand, we're just like a grain of sand, like a little bit of a dust. I need a bust and must. Now I'm gonna be packing the session. Realize I'm testing, now I'm never forgetting. I feel like I'm a blessing on this earth now since birth from 2002. What the fuck are you gonna do? Now I'm just recording in the morning, the lines are be snorting and I'm getting distorted. Too many immortals are getting distorted, going through portals in the intergalactic plane. Cause I'm going spastic on my brain, now I rearrange and take. Now I'm in, my name ain't Jay, my dad, and I got one brother, motherfucker, under the cover. I need a fucking hudder and shudder. Now I'm smoking a little bit of bud. Now I'm smoking the marijuana, I'm feeling the piranha and the energy. Sentimentally, we're all energy. Awaken my telepathy, I'm getting better G. Just a mad freestyle. Now you see everyone's living in the now, cause I'm walking down the aisle, looking at all the GMO, genetically modified. Now everyone's gonna be lied. Straight television, telling lies to your vision. Now you're fucking tripping, telling lies to your children. Now you're building these and wielding all these energies. They're fucking rearranging them, manipulating, cause this is my creation. I'm Tyson Rhymers, this is my enterprises. I'm trying to get higher and higher from another dimension. I'm fucking grabbing my intention. Now I'm never forgetting astral projection. Peace out.